Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to run CDs and DVDs on a new MacBook Air 2020 edition. So I have a CD here we're going to try out and a DVD we're going to try out. And if you want to play DVDs and discs on a MacBook, a new one, you're going to need a USB super drive because the new Macs obviously don't come with a DVD drive, so you're just gonna need that. And then also you're gonna need like a USB to USB-C adapter because they don't have a USB port, and this only comes with a USB port, so you're gonna need an adapter too if you wanna like do this. So let's show you this real quick. So first you're gonna wanna, sorry if you can hear me, I'm just trying to be quiet because like, I don't know. You're gonna want to plug this in here. Sorry if this is a bad angle. I'm literally just bad at this. Okay. So now this is plugged into this. So now I'll be right back and plug this into the computer. All right. So as you can see, it's plugged in. This is running macOS Big Sur, as you can tell. Hold on. See, goes Big Sur, and we're gonna test out the CD first. So I already like tried these before, obviously, but the CD is a little bit different. So I have Ariana Grande because she's iconic. We're gonna put this in here. So we're gonna put it in. Okay. And it makes some sound effects. And we're just gonna see, what it looks like. So it comes up, positions. So when you first put a CD in here, it'll say like this thing called CD lookup results, and it'll like say like, is this like, pick which CD you have, and you'll click it and it'll say this. It'll say, would you like to import? And I already did this, so I don't know why it's asking me this again, so I'll just say, do not ask me again. But it just like is in your, it just comes up like this in music, the music application, and you can like download it so it's like in like your library. So even when you take out the CD, it'll still be here, which is cool. So you'll have it across all your things. So that's cool. But yeah, I can show you what it looks like because I took a screenshot, so hold on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what I was talking about earlier. It'll actually say audio CD at first, and then it'll say like, see lookup results, multiple matches were found online. You have to pick the right one. But I literally picked this one, and it like came, like it was all in Japanese. I was like, okay, I didn't click the Japanese one, but okay, silly Billy. Sorry, I'm so annoying. But yeah, but that's just like what that looks like. And then you can just listen to those songs. Also, if you click on this, oh, I guess it fixed it, but like I remember before it was like all Japanese. I was like, okay, that's literally scary. It's making sounds. But yeah, that's cool and all. So we'll X that out. And also to eject a disc, you just right click on something on the DVD on the desktop and you hit eject. And it should come out. Yay. So yeah, that's a CD. Now we're gonna do a DVD next. All right, so next we're gonna do a DVD and we're gonna have Sonic the Hedgehog. It's just like, you know, it's a little DVD. Okay, so here's the disc. I got a mail, hold on. So here's the disc. So it's just a DVD video, like that says it right there. And then we're gonna just put it in like we did with the CD and show you what happens. Sorry. Okay. So it's just making sounds. Okay. So what is gonna happen, it'll show up on the desktop as a DVD video, as you can see. Oh, oh god, oh dear. Okay, so it'll probably automatically go into full screen, and what will open is an app called DVD Player. It's already built into your Mac, and I have it in a dock because I'm gonna plan on getting more DVDs. I want to get like a DVD collection, but I put it in my dock. That's what the app icon looks like, and it's not like in the Launchpad. Like you can't like get it through here. You would think it would be in like other or something, but it's not. You actually have to go into Spotlight, search DVD Player. I mean, well, if you automatically put in a DVD, it will just like open it by itself. But if you just like want it for easy access in your dock or something, then you can just put it there. But that's what I did. And then yeah, you just have your DVD video. Will play. You can maximize it, make it full screen. This is just a trailer for a SpongeBob movie, or I don't know what it is, but yeah. And then yeah, but then here's the thing though. So say like you close out of it, but it's still in here. If you click on the actual like icon, it will just like open like files, and it's kind of like yeah, like you don't want to like mess with that. But yeah, if you just want to open it again, you just have to go into DVD Player, and then it'll like make sounds, and then you just and it'll start playing again. So yeah. So that's DVDs and CDs on the newer Macs. If you were wondering like how it works. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know, I'm like stupid at this, but yeah, that's just how it works. I just wanted to show you because I don't know, I just like want to show you guys that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later. Bye.